What is going on, guys? Your boy Ozzy here, back with another video. My girl's over here clowning my ass because I had a beanie and I told her I shouldn't leave it on too long, and now my shit's flat as fuck.
You look like a damn peanut now.
Wow, that's cold. But we are officially mic'd up. That's why the quality sounds better. I hope it does.
Imagine it does. It's not the same. They're like, grow up.
Because that last video was literally just posted as like a little trial.
I
don't know.
Little head.
Trial error. We know we make errors. I just wanted to post it, see how it came out, and obviously the quality wasn't not good at all. What? She's still laughing at me. Whatever. We're here at Costa Mesa at IKEA. They're having a cars and coffee here. Good amount of cars. I don't know if there's any supercars. I haven't seen any supercars here. Gonna go walk around and see what's up. I already saw fresh kicks too. But yeah, you already know we're in Orange County. A bunch of Beamers. I literally called it. Like, this whole lineup is Beamers. All right, we got off. We are gonna go walk around now. It sounds like they have music in the main area, main parking. I don't know how I'm gonna do it over there. Hopefully the noise cancellation. Oh! Hopefully the noise cancellation on this thing is good. Wait, first C6. I like the wheels.
Look at the little details in there.
Oh, see, I wanted to do something like that. I wanted to do something like that. I really fuck with the wheels. Damn. Yeah. Got a nice little R8 on this side. Bro, what is this? This thing's so small. The right-hand drive is for sure from like Japan. Right-hand drive, manual. This thing even has a wing, bro. What? What?
It's so cute.
Should we get one of those? Start taking little shits to the meet. Looks like we have some supercars leaving. Got a 458, and then behind it we have a color shifting Technica. I think it's badass. Dude, that color shift is nice. The green calipers. From here it looks like a green, but when it was over here, it looked like purple. Bro, look at this Huracan. I saw people posting it. I wanted to see it. Damn. When we got here, I was hoping it was here. Huh? You broke your ankle. BBS's. Bro, look at the steering wheel. A lot of people don't like that kind of style. Full carbon. Pista. How many? No, yeah, just one Pista. I thought there was two. This one's a F8 Spider. Pretty badass. I love how stock they have that carbon. You guys think of this? Fuck, I keep forgetting I don't have to get close to the camera. But what do you guys think of this 458? Carbon wing. It has like that livery from the SP3 that sold at Monterey. I think it sold for $29 million if I remember correctly.
Again, going for the first time.
Clean. We got the Fast and the Furious cars here. Someone cue the song. Oh, this shit's on HREs. I thought it would have been on BBS's. Not gonna lie. Every JDM has BBS's. Someone's cammed over here. Bro, look at this SLR. Followed by a 488. That thing is nice. Followed by this thing. Holy. On HREs? Yo, that shit's badass. Another one. That Beamer stair is real. Oh, they're in the way. I can't show them.
What?
That Beamer stair. There you go. That's that Beamer stair. 720, yeah. Huge carbon wing. Yo, that interior is nice. Oh god, I hope the noise cancellation is working here, but carbon, wide body, Liberty Walk Huracan. We saw it in Monterey. GC3. Huh? Oh yeah, we did see it here as well. We saw it here first and then Monterey. Badass. Right here we have the infamous Inosate Mercedes. You already know the Montana plates. This thing is badass. It's like, how would you even explain this? Like cartoonish type? I don't know.
But it's like shifts a little, no?
Yeah, it shifts a little. It's better with like lighting when light hits it. But
So it goes from like black to white, no?
yeah, it's on BBS's. All right, we left that area. There's too much music, but we got these two right here. And then we have more cars over here. RX-7, R34. We've seen this one hella times already too. R35. Looks like a NSX right there. What else? The GT3's leaving.
Probably like so many times, like you'll see a car.
I know, it's so rare that I'm gonna start seeing new cars. Cause we've already been in like this car shit. Like,
You have to like go far now. You have to go to fucking San Diego or something.
I gotta go check out the San Diego scene. I don't know. Cause all the car meets around here, they're like
Kind of the same thing.
all the same cars. Yeah. You can host like 4 different organizations. You'll still see the same cars.
We'll probably see a lot of these like later too.
Oh yeah. We're gonna go to meet later
that
on.
one's like,
What do you think of this car?
you already know what I
This
think.
one? I know you like this one. We saw it yesterday. This one's an M3, no? Jeez.
Well, I bet the people who know cars better, like it's good, but
Oh yeah.
I like M4.
She likes her M4s. With the ski box with the matching skateboard. That is tough. That's badass. Aired out. Damn, that's badass. Why is everything in this lot have BBS's? Bro, this SF92. Everything has BBS's. This thing is nice though. That fitment is crazy. F12. Bro, he has a whole front end cooked. That means he drives this shit. That's good. I hate people who garage keep these things. Look. Damn. Daily driven. Bro, somehow we ended up in IKEA. We were outside and now we're inside. What the hell? Really?
I just maybe once, but like I was like,
Like you could get lost in here low key. Alright, we finally found the exit, bro. We got lost, bro. We were in there for like what, 15 minutes trying to find the exit, and we finally found the exit. Oh yeah, this is like the second time I've ever been to IKEA. I don't like this. Yo, this thing is insane. I like the paint match calipers. This thing is nice, bro. What the? Big ass screen in there. It's a Tesla screen. What the hell?
Yeah, I know exactly what it is.
What? That's crazy. This thing is crazy. Got 2 GTRs rolling in. Huge ass spoiler. R33. From Texas? Bro, there's a whole lineup of Mini Coopers. Like you got one. Oh my god, I can't even count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So many Mini Coopers, what the hell? This one has a huge wing on it. I'm dead. And it has a carbon hood. Damn. Oh, is that a ZR1? Let's go check it out. Bro. Tiny ass son. Bro, this is the first time I see a wrapped ZR1 in person. From Minnesota? Oh my god. Blue, what am I saying? Yellow interior? With a harness? Carbon? Oh my god.
It's yellow underneath, huh?
Yeah, you could tell. Damn. Oh, the carbon arrow. These are the wheels I wanted for my car, but they're beat to find. And if you do find some, they want like an arm and a leg for them. It looks like he doesn't take care of them, to be honest. I think it's really nice though. Well taken care of. Beautiful ZR1. Alright, I barely peeped this. Obviously the car is yellow, you can kind of tell. And then with the seats as well, but his whole front bumper is cooked. See, that's why I'm scared to wrap mine.
That's good though, it makes you drive it.
What happened?
It's good, it makes you drive it.
No, yeah,
Just have it
for
in the
sure.
garage.
I hate people who garage keep those. BBS. And then they have the bucket, carbon bucket, so they gotta show them off. Arusha was right. Every Beamer who has like the carbon buckets, they have to leave the windows down.
They have a golf ball. A tennis ball.
Tennis
Sorry.
ball to match the
Whatever.
car. Looks like a lot of the Supercars are leaving. He has a child seat in that shit. Goals, W dad. I think this whole lineup is leaving as well. They're just trying to, I don't know if they're trying to find the owner of the Huracan. I don't know. Oh my god. Backfire on the start? Damn, what is that? Someone opened the valves. No, yeah, they're for sure leaving. They were able to figure it out. Oh. And both of these people right here have zero awareness. Pista. You just bought that shit. F8. I bet that shit sounds crazy on the freeway. Performante's out too. GT4 RS is out. Montana. cars. And now we have one. He's all alone. Damn, there wasn't really that many good cars over there. Well, I said there wasn't really that many good cars. I know, but I think the meat was just small. There's good cars, this meat was just small. I don't know. We're about to head out. Get something to eat. Gonna get something to grub on. I'm hungry.